Here's a quick video on how to help yourself out of a jam. If you have an older Alpine and you have the in-command system and the display is gone, it won't work, and you don't have any manual switches inside to open or close your hydraulic slides, I'm going to show you a quick, easy trick, not a trick, but a quick, easy way to where you can electrically extend your hydraulic slides and electrically close your hydraulic slides using an Allen wrench and a short piece of jumper wire. First thing that we have to do is locate the Hyd valve cartridge that controls the flow of fluid for just the hydraulic slides. And if you look up top inside your hydraulic panel area, and you look up top, you'll see an aluminum colored manifold that my finger's pointing to. And then there are 3 solenoids, this black piece here with a wire on it. So going from left to right, there are 3 solenoids. The first one is curbside, the second one is passenger side, and that farthest one, which is out of focus a little bit, that very farthest one that we can't quite see, that hydraulic Hyd valve is what you need to manually open at the top so that you can run the pump and the fluid will flow and open or close your hydraulic slides. So again, what we need to do is get an Allen wrench, and we want to go up to the top and of the Hyd valve, get that wrench in there. You'll have to use the short end of it, and then you'll want to turn that about a turn and a half. It'll turn easy, and open that up a little bit. Nothing is going to move, nothing's going to happen. The Alpine's not going to fall. Want to come over to the hydraulic pump motor. This is the pump motor. On top of the pump motor is a dual polarity solenoid. Looking at this, you will see 2 smaller connections on the sides. This is the retract side, and this is the extend side. Across the top of this solenoid, you'll see 3 posts. The one that we are concerned with is the one in the center. This is the 12-volt DC incoming power. What I want to do is I want to manually run this hydraulic pump motor without using any switches. My in-command display is dead, so I can't do anything electrically, but I can with a jumper wire after I've opened that hydraulic Hyd valve cartridge. So now what I'm going to do is connect one end of a jumper wire, and it looks like this. If you happen to have this, or just a piece of wire will work. And you want to be careful when you go to this connection in the center. Again, there are 3. You want the one in the center. That is your incoming 12 volts DC directly from your battery. Okay, now you can see that I have that end connected to the center post, and you see that I have the other end of the terminal or of the jumper wire hanging free. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this side of the terminal. This is the extend side, and I'm going to touch this, and you're going to hear the pump motor run. If I held that down with that Hyd cartridge opened up for the hydraulic slides like this, that would electrically run the pump motor, and it would let the fluid flow, and it would extend my slides. If I wanted to close my slides, again, I would need to open that Hyd cartridge up above. There's 3. The one that you want is all the way to the right. It's out of focus. You can't get a real good sharp image of it, but you can see that it's there. If I wanted to now retract my slides, again, the jumper wire, one end is on the center post. There are 3 terminals up here, and I'm going to go to the retract side terminal and touch it, and you can hear that pump motor run. And if I had that valve open up there, my slides would retract. This is a real quick down and dirty video I'm making for somebody that might need to use this when they get to their next destination.